China's burgeoning big data industry and digital economy have not only revolutionized the lives of urbanites with emerging technologies, but also transformed the country's rural areas. Southwest China's Guizhou province, which once had the largest impoverished population in China, is now the country's major big data hub. As China's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone, Guizhou has been promoting the big data industry as a backbone of its high-quality social and economic development. It is making farming a smart technology. At a tea plantation base in Pu'an County of the province, digital devices are collecting real-time data from the tea garden and offering scientific support for tea growing. With the help of big data, the garden has seen improved yield and better white tea, which have boosted the income of the local farmers.
我们能通过公司的系统大屏显示土壤伤情、干湿度、病虫害等数据的反馈，更加科学合理的管护茶园，减少以往通过人工排查管护的程序，从而提高了茶园管护的精准度和精确度，进一步提高我们白茶的产量及品质。
The big data industry has also helped streamline the production of many enterprises.
在这个工厂中呢，大家现在看到了有很多物流设备在来回的移动。这些物流设备呢，我们在行业里面称作 AGV， 是我们这次5G 全链接工厂改造的一个重点。通过我们5G 的这种技术的改造呢，提高了我们现场网络的一个稳定性，也保证了我们现场的部件之间的转运。
Individual residents are also benefiting from the big data industry. Guizhou has built telemedicine platforms in rural areas that enable villagers to consult doctors sitting far away in city hospitals.
通过我们这个城乡医疗均质化服务这个平台的话，可以帮助到老百姓看病。有一些专家，我们可以通过跟他的交流，学习到一些专业的知识，或者就是越来越相信我们，所以我们来我们这里的看病的老百姓也越来越多了。
According to the local government's plans, the total output value of the province's big data and electronic information industry will exceed 350 billion yuan by 2025, with the digital economy accounting for around half of its GDP.